Good evening to everybody. The last class we seen about the topic multiple integrals. In that we have seen double integral and triple integral, and also the very important topic integration by parts in multiple integrals. Then the integration by parts. Integration by parts. In that we have first one. We have to state the formula for integration by parts. Integration by parts. The next one, integrate product of functions using integration by parts. The formula is integration by parts. Formula is integral of u dv by dx into dx equal to uv minus integral of v du by dx into dx. We can see some more example regarding this. First example 1, find integral of x cos x dx. X cos x dx, and the formula is integral of u dv by dx into dx equal to uv minus integral of v du by dx into dx. Then you have to assign or put u equal to x and dv by dx equal to cos x. dv by dx equal to cos x. Then differentiate u with respect to x. We have du by dx equal to 1. And v equal to dv by dx equal to cos x. dv by dx is equal to cos x, and integrating that we get v equal to cos x, integral of cos x dx, that is equal to sin x. Then substituting the value of u du dv by dx x in the value in the formula. The formula is integral of u dv by dx into dx equal to uv minus integral of v du by dx into dx. Here we assigned such that integral of x cos x dx equal to your u is x and v equal to sin x we have found out here. Sin x, v equal to sin x. Then minus integral of v sin x dv by dx equal to 1. X equal to dv by dx equal to 1 into dx. The answer is x sin x minus integral of sin x is minus cos x plus c. C is the constant of integration. Therefore, the answer is x sin x plus cos x plus c. The next problem, example 2. Example 2 we have the different one. Find integral of example 2. Find integral of x squared e power 3x dx. Solution, integral of x squared e power 3x dx can be integrated as put u equal to x squared and dv by dx equal to e power 3x. Then if u equal to x squared, then du by dx equal to 2x. Then dv by dx equal to